Hello everyone, welcome back. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone charging but battery percent not increase on iOS 17. So first of all I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. iPhone charge but battery percent is not increase. So first solution, you have hard reset your iPhone. There is a possibility that while you were using your phone it is crashed and this it is having trouble charging. Restarting is one of the best ways that would be it having trouble charging problem. A hard reset will force the iPhone to restart quickly and fix iPhone shows charging but not charging. Restarting the mobile phone has been termed the best way of fixing the software components issues. Now that there are different versions of the iPhone, there are various methods to restart it depending on the model you are use. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then second solution, you have clean out the charger port. Sometimes the charger port could contains debris and junk that make it is a responsible look for flash the observe the charging port. If might see just junk, we recommended using anti-static burst or one of the charging clean is the debris. Insert the burst to charging port, then burst back and forth to loosen the jinx that might be accumulated here. After that, charge your iPhone again to see iPhone showing charging but battery percent not increase if it is solved. So then you have cleaned the charging port with burst when you are facing this issue. Then third solution, you have update iOS latest version. Updating the iOS system is also an effective solution for users to fix the system issues. You can follow the below steps to update your iOS 17 version through settings. So you have opened the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so must be installed on your iPhone. Then charge with another lighting cable. If you are done cleaning the charging port, you insert the lighting cable, but still the iPhone says charging but not charging. The problem could be your lighting cable. Sometimes the lighting cable and used might be problem, especially if you are not using the original one of the camp with the phone. So then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. Then last solution, you have lot of apps running in the background. Then this can also slow down your iPhone charging speed. This can catch the iPhone showing charging but battery percent is not increased. Here is how to close background app on your iPhone. So you have double tap on your home button, then you have uh, remove app running in the background. So then you have remove all from here, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.